Hey you guys, so I have something on my mind that I wanted to talk to you guys about that's kind of going around right now about smaller YouTubers, particularly in kind of the area that I do videos in, and that's learning and activities to do with your kids and things like that. So I had some things in my mind that I wanted to share with you. So I'm going to do this one a little casually today again, just with my little point and shoot camera. Because I had a lot of things that were on my mind and I thought it was really important to address them right now. And I have been watching some YouTube channels and then reading some discussions going on, and there have been some changes. Some of you may already know or might not know that YouTube has put in place some changes that really do affect small YouTube channels. The purple alphabet is in no way affected by these changes. However, a lot of people in YouTube are being affected, and these are people that put out content and do not meet the requirements that YouTube has set forward to be monetized, to earn money off the ads that play before and during the videos. Some of you may not know this, but when I first started out in YouTube, I was very fortunate enough to have a larger YouTuber. In fact, this YouTuber probably had as many subscribers that I have currently now today at the time that she did this. She had just mentioned on her channel about my channel and asked people to go and check me out. And it was at that point that it was a really, one, it was a kind gesture, but two, it was kind of eye-opening to see the kindness and how genuine and authentic this person was. And it meant the world to me. And I was just excited, I was happy, I was flattered, and I really respected this YouTuber for doing that. That's probably one of the reasons that gave me a big push in continuing to create some content for the purple alphabet. Recently, when I'm seeing all of these channels talk about how they're never going to make their channel big enough to meet these new YouTube requirements, or other people are saying they're going to stop making YouTube content, or other people saying that they're going to continue regardless, it really wears on my heart, because I want them to be just as successful as they want to be. So I've been thinking about some ways that I can help that. I thought about collabs, I thought about shout outs, I thought about my favorite channels, but the fact of the matter is that I don't like to single anyone out specifically and then exclude another person, and I would feel very bad to do so. And I thought about a collab, but that would just be really hard to get everybody together all at once, and a lot of work to orchestrate that, and once again, don't want people to be left out. So what I was thinking is, if you are a small YouTube channel and you do kind of similar content like activities for kids, maybe you do homeschooling, maybe you do you know, mommy vlogs where you talk about things that you like as a mom and things that you do as a mom or a parent, anything that has to do with those kinds of topics, and you're a small YouTuber, go ahead in the comments. I want you to write out your channel name, and just a description about what it is you do on your channel. And I encourage everybody, even if you don't have a channel, to go down in the comments and look through and see if there's a channel that you might want to follow. A channel that might be of interest to you, that you might like to see what's going on. And I encourage everybody to go down in those comments and explore and see if there's some other content creators that you would like to subscribe to, you would like to watch their videos. And this is really truly the only way I can think of really helping and making an impact for the smaller channels who are trying to have their channels monetized, who do want to make content on YouTube, and who want to really grow. So if that is you, if you have a channel, please go ahead, leave your information down below. And then if you are a YouTube viewer, even if you don't have a channel, go and see what other people are writing down there, and go explore and find some new channels. And I'm hoping that over time that this comment section will be just filled with all kinds of different channels and a resource to come back to see if there's some other channels that you want to follow. And I'm hoping that as a community that we can support one another and that we can raise each other up in a time when it might feel a little bit difficult. I know with all my heart that with some hard work and elbow grease, the smaller channels can thrive and they can push themselves to meet those YouTube goals. But I also know that it's really hard to do so on your own. And with a little bit of support with some of you guys out there, I know that they won't feel like that they are alone. So that's what I have for you guys today. Make sure to click subscribe, check out all of those channels down below, subscribe to their channels and watch some videos, and I'll see you next time.